Well, hi, what are you doing? What are they gonna make? What kind of animal? What? It's a tradition. Let's do it. Uh-oh. Daddy used to make these with his daddy. Are you okay? Yeah, let's not bounce up and down like a bunny right now. All right. White cake mix. What? No, you're right. That's not the right way. Okay. First, make the cake. Changing utensils. So you're going to take one box. I know it's a little broken. One box of white cake mix. Can you use yellow, Dad?
You can use whatever you want.
Oh, that's true.
Chocolate. Oh.
Chocolate probably makes it harder to decorate.
Broken.
Oh well, we got lots of spoons around here. And you're gonna put it one box and do it evenly between two circular cake pans. You're gonna twirl for 34 to 38 minutes.
It's slippery on here.
Oh, be careful.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Oh, okay, deal.
Abracadabra.
Woo!
Please.
Oh.
Oh, please.
Okay, we've got lovely cake. We are at the cutting stage. They have super cooled. Oh, okay. Very good, very good. We're gonna cut Emma's first, huh? Yes.
That was the face. We're not going to cut that one.
It's gonna have like a little rise for the nose and everything. Unintentional, but it'll work. Emma, what will those make? What parts of the bunny? Do you know?
We need it.
Yeah? And his what? I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out.
What's that mean? Why are you doing this for?
A little this. What would be under his neck or on his neck he'd be wearing?
A bow.
That's right.
Daddy, can I make a bow tie?
Yeah, look at this. Watch. Ear.
That's so cute.
Ear.
That's cute.
And ta-da! Bow tie. What? Sean Spencer?
Okay, I'm supposed to do this.
Oh, you know what to do, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
You've got yours, and Daddy's got his, okay?
I'm
All right, go for it.
Go on.
You gotta make him all white. And then we'll do colors later.
Wait, why are we gonna do colors later?
Because you gotta do white's the bottom, because your little bunny's a little white bunny.
Yeah, we don't like it like this.
You lost some there.
Go back on there. We just put it back on.
Let's watch the professional at work.
Marshall.
Oh, please.
Can we put on yours? Can we do on yours?
Do all of it white right now. You've taken the bow ties off, so they don't get contaminated. Like that two-hand situation.
Good job. You got it, girl.
Nice concentration.
All right.
Oh, sorry, Dad. I didn't leave little spots for you on here. I didn't.
Not
I didn't know the protocol. I had to help a little.
Hey.
Oh, your favorite thing. Yeah. You got a mustache.
I like the noise of it.
You like the noise of it?
All right.
Does it taste better when it's pink?
You gonna do your
You gonna do your bow tie?
tie?
Okay then. It's going to be beautiful. And then are you gonna put sprinkles on it? Oh wow.
No, we already painted it white.
Yeah. He's a little white bunny.
Wait. What with the eyes?
You're gonna use candy for the eye.
Yeah, gumdrops.
Yeah.
That's what we call them. What do we? I don't know what we call it.
Gumdrops. Or if you're using the Kroger brand, Spice Drops. Look at this man at work.
And the white?
Just on the pink, I think. You don't want him to look like he has pimples. Rabies.
Do whatever you want.
And can I do on the face?
If you want, I mean,
That's kind of weird, but okay.
It doesn't want to be everyone wears
Daddy's going with a green bow tie. Somebody in the room ordered for that, I think.
this is her kit too.
It's true.
See that temperature?
Temperature?
Mm.
Ooh, I love it.
It tastes
That's
like
looking
wine.
good.
See the temperature when it said 2.5?
2.5?
It says we can do a lot.
Great. That's what the temperature says?
2 of a lot.
All right. I like it.
2 of a step.
He looks like he's dressed in his Sunday best. Ooh. Oh, you can never have enough pink.
Can I do on the face?
If you want to. Well, let him be. Maybe he got into a strawberry patch.
Maybe he's a teenager.
Yeah, he's a teen Easter bunny. He's learning the ropes.
Teen Easter Bunny. Sounds like a movie.
Yeah, there we go. You're welcome, Disney. Actually, that doesn't sound like Disney. That's DreamWorks for sure. Time for some eyeballs. She's requested purple eyes.
Yeah, it looks great. It does look great.
It does look great.
It's hard just gonna see. Okay, we just need a mouth.
And a nose.
What's gonna be nose?
I think the orange slices. Is that right, Dad? Or is that the smile?
No, that's the mouth. That's the nose.
All right, let's do that next. All right, we've got a nose, and let's put in a mouth. Oh, he's so happy. Oh, and push down good. Nice work.
Oh, so good.
Exquisite. Dad's coming along quite nicely. We need to turn yours around so we can see it at the camera with you in front of it. Little icing mustache. Emma's looks very, very cute. He's got green eyes and a little nose. Here comes his mush. Here's your mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
Yeah. Here you go.
Yay!
All right. Now we got to get polka dots on the bow
Polka
tie.
dot bow tie. Yours with sprinkles. Dad's gonna be M&M's. Are you gonna sneak some of those? Where you going? Hello.
Bill. Peekaboo.
Ah.
Come.
Ah.
I'm a dinosaur.
There you are.
Yo, 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 yo.
Ooh.
No, I broke as a joke.
Oh no. Look at these awesome bunnies. You guys did so good. Daddy bunny
And then I
and baby bunny. All right. Okay, tell them all the things they need to do.
I'll eat some more.
Oh, you're
What
going to
should
eat some
they
more
do?
M&Ms?
Like,
Uh-huh.
subscribe,
Yeah.
hit the bell button.
Yeah. And have an awesome Easter.
Come down below.
Comment down below.
Very good. All right. That was an adventure. Adventure is out there.
I need this blue one.
So thanks for watching,
I
friends.
need this blue one, Dad.
Can you say bye, friends?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye-bye.
Happy Easter. He is risen.